Make a great choice today with
The 2019 Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, stability control, power steering, cruise control, fog lights, trip odometer, power brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.